How to log in to your Bones employee account. Welcome back everyone to this new video of TechTube. If you are an employee of Bones trying to log into it, then in this video let me show you the process logging in to your employee account of Bones. Search for Bones employee account login, and once you do, you can see the first result from the website of Bones, and it says Employee Resource Center. And it's going to take you to the section of employees of Bones. Click on the sign in/sign up on the top right and click on sign in. Once you do, this sign in page will appear. Now in the first box, type in the email address that you used while signing up for Bones. And in the second box, type in the password. If you don't remember the password to your account, click on the forgot password link and follow the steps to recover your password as well. Once you type in both your email address and the password of your account, click on sign in and you'll be successfully signed in to your employee account of Bones. You can also log into your account without a password by clicking on sign in without password. And here you'll need to enter in your email address or the mobile number linked with your account. And in the next step, it's going to send you a OTP to your mobile or your email address. Just type it in and you'll be signed in as well. So that is the process of signing in to your Bones employee account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily guide videos that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.